Hi friends, welcome to my channel Trade with Mulani. So as there was a lot of requests for English videos, so today's video is completely in English. So let me introduce myself. My name is Mulani and I'm an index options trader. So what I trade is Nifty and Bank Nifty options both on the buy side and the sell side. What I love trading is options hedging. I mean selling options with hedging. That's my favorite part of trading. Now, let's coming to today's day. So today, after a huge rally yesterday, today the market was sideways, and there was some selling in the Bank Nifty in the morning, and Nifty was very choppy throughout the day, and there was nothing much to do today in Nifty. Bank Nifty also there were good some intraday short opportunities. I missed out on them, to be authentic, and yeah. So as I was, my overall view was bullish. So I tried on some buy trades, but they didn't give the money. The calls didn't move that well. Yeah, and overall it was a fair day. I mean, there was nothing. I had a small loss in options buying, but yeah, the video which I have recorded for all of you is a live video, and come, let's see how that video is good. So before leaving, just one more thing. If you like this video and you learn something from them, do share it with your friends and like to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's move in. So hi friends. So as I had shared yesterday, I have carrying short puts. Right. So this video I'll be recording in English because I have got a few requests for English videos. But still, future videos will depend on the reaction. अगर आपको हिंदी में videos चाहिए तो आप comment करिए, and if you want in English, so do let me know. So accordingly, I can work it out. And so yesterday, as I had told, I had been carrying these short puts, and I'm still holding them because it's a good position, and I don't think the market will retrace completely. This level is not going to break easily. But yeah, we have, like, if you look here, there's a doji, then another doji, and a red candle. So we might see some sell-off, some profit booking, or some retracement. So if I look at this, the Fibonacci retracement, so we may see market come till 35,100 to 100 and 150 points dip. That is something which we may see. So I have bought a put, and it's a contra trade. You must be wondering, I'm short some puts and I'm buying also put. This is an intraday trade with a small stop loss. I've just got 150 quantity, not a very heavy quantity. And stop loss for that trade would be, if the top of this candle is taken out, I'll exit that trade or I'll hold for it to come till 35,100. This is a contra trade, kind of a scalping trade, not for very big targets, but for a small target. So let's see how this goes. So the puts which I bought for 465 are now trading at 488, 490. So it's just held at 38%. Let's see if it can go further. Earlier, I closed the put a bit prematurely. Small loss if I waited, but this green candle could be a reversal. But yeah, now I am seeing, see from Bank Nifty 50% retracement, there has been a strong pullback. This time I'll take an entry in the calls. Buying 35,200 Bank Nifty. Let's try the same 150 quantity. I'll also buy it in the other account. Started by 200. What happened to the order? Yeah, it's executed. At 505, it's 498. As long as it closes, the candle closes above 35, 143, it's good. We also have the Fibonacci retracement support level. So the entry which I took was right, but I took it a little early. Still holding on to Bank Nifty, even tested the 61.8% retracement, and from there we have kind of a double bottom. So I don't see the high breaking today, but yeah, we might come on to the level of 35,300. So the calls which we bought at 504 right now are trading at 479, 480. Still holding on to the trade. Expecting a good profit here. May not be a very good profit as our entry was a little not of time. So still, I think we can see 560, 570 in that call. So still holding on. So let's see. The option which we are holding had come to a cost of 500 a change, and 508 it came, and look at the fall in 5 minutes. Yeah, that's the kind of, like, in fact, it just 3 minutes it took from that 508 for it to come as low as 440, was it 446, 440 here. It just took a matter of 3 minutes. That's the kind of volatility we have in index options, especially something like Bank Nifty options. And today is just a Friday. On a Friday, you can imagine that kind of volatility. As the expiry comes near, this volatility increases. That's the one thing you should be prepared if you are trading index options, weekly options. This kind of volatility is going to be there. If you are okay with that kind of a volatility, only then you should be a buyer in options. But otherwise, you can be a seller. Now, if you look at the sell side of the option, like the put which we have shot, I'll show you the chart of that also. Right. Now that option also from 258 came 248, it went till 290, but then no time it again slipped. So that's the way. Options always rise with a jerk and then they start falling. In this case, it fell down very fast and pulls up. So this kind of volatility one has to deal with when you're trading options. It's buying or selling, whatever. Do that. So after that scary fall, the option is now back up. It went till 529 and again 509. So I've kept a sell at around 576. So let's see that. That option is now making headway. Bank Nifty is, after this consolidation, I remove this. Has created the kind of a reversal over here, stabilizing here and now moving up. Let's see if we get this thing. This would be the first target for Bank Nifty on 125 points, and then it testing the day high. So let's see. Nifty has given a very beautiful, after a consolidation, a good up move. So now this becomes a crucial support for Nifty. So we already are in Bank Nifty, otherwise 15,400 put is a good shot. And even maybe we could buy some calls of 15,400. Let's see. This is again a So it's pending. Let's modify it and market. I have bought that 15,400 calls. Stop loss for this trade would be this is the call chart. So low is 116, so 1 or 2 points below, probably 114.15 would be a stop loss for this trade. Yeah. Puts falling recently. See where the call. Oh, the calls moved up again. Should be getting a target soon. May go higher, but I'd like to book that. The options, give those jerking moves a lot. Needs to be okay with that. In less than 2 minutes, Banknifty again giving those 40-50 point dips. Like it went all till 529 and again 480, 50 points gone in 2-3 months. But if you look at the pattern now, what's made is it's making higher lows and a higher high. So yeah, so maybe after some volatility, we'll get a target. So sticking on to the trade so far. Let's see. Again, a strong pullback coming in Bank Nifty, really fast. Let's see the Nifty. Nifty called also doing well. 143, 144. They've moved up. That's good. Okay. So if you missed the Nifty trade was taken, I told you Nifty is given a very nice pullback. It opened gapped up. There was this consolidation and then kind of a up flag pattern. If you see, very beautifully made. Bank Nifty little laggard as per compared to Nifty, but yeah, as Nifty is making a new high, I was expecting Bank Nifty this target, but as Nifty is making a new high, I expect Bank Nifty to touch at least today's day high. So I think I would, what is this? Why 16,578? I'd probably just for a bit, just change this target and let's wait how it goes. Okay. Upstocks have an issue sometimes. They don't show the pending order. See, I remember putting a pending order and was not showing. This is one issue with upstocks many a times. This also do 604. Let's do that and see. Now the point is the one issue with upstocks is the moment I refresh, the charts go away. Again, I have to open the charts. It's irritating. So markets, Bank Nifty is still going steadily up. Gives those jerks, but yeah, that's the way Bank Nifty is. Nifty is, I like Nifty, it's more smoother. It doesn't, give those volatile moves. If you're a option buyer and you want less, you should be practicing on Nifty options. Bank Nifty is exciting, but again, it has that You blink an eye and you see 30-40 points gone. It's that kind of instrument. Look at that in front. And you have to stick to the system. I'm not a person who's going to buy, sell, scalping, and that doesn't work because I'm not that kind of trader. So I wait for a trade, I've seen people trade using 1 minute chart, something which I've not been very comfortable at. So I prefer sticking on to my 5 minute, 15 minutes, half an hour charts to trade with. Let's stick this chart also to a 15-minute chart. Gives more clarity. Yeah. I'm going to show you something. See, now at the same time, the low this option made was 230 and it's bounced 10-12 points from the low. Okay, but if you look at this call option, it went till 541 and it's 30 points from the recent high. So that's the way options trade. They slip so fast, and when the momentum comes again, they don't. Just a slight pause in the momentum and options slip. See, this is hardly gone for 14-15 points from the low, and this one is like more than 30-35 points, double the difference. That's a little further strike, so yeah, that will reduce less, but still this you'll find it always. I've seen that, and especially on the days when it comes to near the expiry. Today is the first day, Friday. So on Tuesday, Wednesday, you'll find this kind of moves happening a lot. So again, it's that Bank Nifty call is slipping. So I'm deciding to put the exit order at the cost. So my entry was somewhere at 504.40. So I'll put an exit at 506, just 1 hour left for the trading day. So I think I should get this fill. I have it here also. So I will. What was the entry here? I have to check. 500 same price. So I'll just put an exit over here also. I'll not be carrying this. I'll close this. I might carry the Nifty call because the premium erosion there is a little less compared to. So see, this is the put time short, which I'll be carrying the short puts for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty call options I like to carry less because they are a little erratic in nature. That's why. Okay, my Bank Nifty calls went and made a new low of 407 rupees. I haven't exited them yet because it's a sideways choppy day completely. But Nifty is holding on. Though Nifty also hasn't rallied, but that's not showing weakness. The chart of Nifty. And Bank Nifty is more of sideways moves. I'll be not carrying the Bank Nifty calls. I'll exit them. I'll definitely most likely carry the Nifty calls. They have given some kind of a sideways over Nifty after the breakout. This could be a failed breakout if this level is broken, 15,413. So now that's dicey. 15,413 is broken. I'll exit the calls also. Extremely choppy day for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty still had these down moves, sideways down, and Nifty was sideways up. This makes very difficult trading when the indexes go in different directions. So if I actually look, Bank Nifty has from the high has made a good fall of 500 points, around from 360 to 182. So I want to share something very beautiful with you. If you are an option seller, for you to understand, look at this is the option chart of 34,700 put, which we have been carrying since yesterday. And if you look, this is the first candle. Okay, at 9:30, this put was at 244 rupees. Okay, 244 rupees. It was at 9:30. And look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty at 9:30 was at 35,350. Okay, and now it's trading at 35,081. If I say it is around 270 points down. Okay, let's see the put. How much is the difference in the put? This put in the morning, which was at 244, is currently at 270 rupees. 26 rupees. 270 points Bank Nifty has fallen from 9:30 till now, and this put has gone up by 27 rupees. So now you can really look into this thing and look at the, when you're buying options, timing is so critical. It gives swings, and picking up the right option is so crucial. So even though, see, we took the buying trades and options, we lost some money there. Okay, not a huge loss, around we have 14,000-15,000, but this position which I've been carrying since yesterday is still in profits. As a put seller, market should go up, then I make money. But I am almost sitting at to similar gains what I was there in morning, not a major variation over here. Same thing if you look into this account, the money lost was on the buying option trade. Selling option, that's why I deploy a very limited capital to selling option and focus more on buying I put a limited capital for buying options and more focuses on selling options. That's the beauty about selling options, that you see, there's a survey that says 75 to 80% of options expire worthless. Okay, but many options give the multi-bagger opportunity also. But at the current premiums, you have to be very cautious. Yeah, I have been an options buyer for most of my trading career. But since last year, March 2020, the options volatility has really made things very, different from what they were earlier. And so let's see. So most likely there's not going to be much of a trade now. I'm going to carry these positions. Okay, the positions is the same position which I had since yesterday. So the trades which I took today intraday gave me some loss, nominal loss that could be dealt with. But yeah, it turned out to be a choppy day, and somewhere I being bullish, I was only looking at buying calls, and somewhere I think that hampered. Yeah, I think I need to work on that part because of how to trade on these choppy days. As a trader, your journey is always to keep on improving, learning something every day. I think look at this thing. Bank Nifty has come to 35,145. This option is 256. So, okay, guys. So hope you like this video. So if you really like this video and learn something from this video, do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment box. So this video was made in English as per the demand. So अगर आप लोग को हिंदी में वीडियोस ज्यादा चाहिए तो प्लीज कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए, तो मैं उस हिसाब से हिंदी के वीडियो ज्यादा बनाऊंगा. Thank you. All the best. See you all tomorrow. See you all on Monday.